Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. So today is Friday. Happy Friday everyone. I hope you're having a great day at work or wherever you may be when you're watching this video. So remember, this is the budget that we just did together, and I was looking and was thinking, wait, something is not right. So I rewrote everything. That's why you see the page looking like it's looking. So I fixed this problem. I turned around and sent $27 to Allie, $27 to Capital One, and something wasn't right. So we had to fix it. I did go ahead and get everything fixed. So let's talk about it. So this right here, no, that's not the budget. That's not the budget at all. So we're just going to pretend everything on this paper never happened. So let's go ahead and talk about the real budget. And my phone battery is low. That's why everything looks a little dim. I did try. Oh my goodness. Whatever you just thought you saw, it actually happened. So Jasmine tripped over my charger because my phone is like on 9% currently. So let's talk about the budget. The income is the same. I actually went through, recalculated that as well just to double check. All of the bills that were over here all the same over here. I did add give for $40, which made $950 versus $910. So after that, we have $892 left. The previous budget for variable expenses actually look like this now. So 175 grocery spending, 50 travel is the same, 70 miscellaneous, $11 totals to 306 with 586 left. And the money for miscellaneous, I already spent it because I did go to Arby's yesterday. Yes, keeping Arby's in business. It got late, y'all, so that's what happened. So miscellaneous got $10. Like I said, we have 586 left. Let's see where the rest of it went. So debt, when it comes to, can I make this brighter? Oh, that looks way too bright. When it comes to debt, we are doing $230 for the car payment, and I have to pay $85 by the 23rd of February. That way the car payment can be like it's supposed to be. But remember, I do split all the bills, including the car payment. Next, we have medical for Discover. Remember, I did go to Walmart to get my prescriptions, which was like $32 or $34. I don't know, 30 something dollars. And I sent that to Discover, which is a total of 262 with 324 left. This is what we're doing with it. We're saving the entire amount. SoFi got 50. Invest for Fidelity, I did put that into VTI. Ally, my accounts there getting 177. Navy Federal Savings got 5. Buffer in my other account got 7. Protect the Quarterback is getting $5 because I didn't feel like selling that money over to Ally, which I could have, but that's okay. When it comes to cash, I am going to cash stuff $60 in a different video, so not this one but another. So this is the difference. Let me see if it will. Y'all, it's only been 4 minutes into this video. Oh my freaking goodness, I guess I was talking too fast. So this is the new, and Jasmine, what are you doing? I don't know what she's doing. Like, she just ate and everything. She had her vitamins, she had all kind of stuff. So this is the new budget. This right here is the old budget, even though it's about the same except for a couple dollars off. Not too bad. And that's it. Y'all don't forget to check out Lil's World. She need help with her watch hours. She may have met her goal. I'm not really sure just yet. I know she's been sick. Lils, I'm definitely sending love your way. We definitely want to say a small prayer for Ange and the loss of her mom. If you haven't seen her posts on Instagram, so send some love her way. Definitely check out Tanya over at the Nightlife because she's trying to get her watch hours as well. Also, Rose Budgeting Life is trying to get her watch hours as well as Nine Blossom. I don't know how many people names I just said. I think maybe 5. But I'm sending love to the ones that need it. And the others that need watch hours, definitely check out their videos. Go support them if you don't already. Jasmine, what are you doing? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had to see what the dog was doing because y'all know how she is. Hold on. I also wanted to show you all this. So this is my A5 planner from Gold Mine and Cocoa. Take all the inserts out. I'm keeping everything how it looks. So I have this right here. And starting in January, and this right here, let me show you what it looks like. And what I did was just take some washi tape and add it to my bookmark from Happy Planner. But I wanted to show you all, if you don't know, this is where I pretty much got all my numbers from. Remember I said I needed $3,350 to get through this month. We already have the first amount. Now we just need to see how much the other amount is going to be, just to see if we met the goal or did not meet the goal. But other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you all for watching.